Welcome to all of you in our Guru Vidya Audiovisual Learning Academy YouTube channel. Let's start.
Now we are going to learn about sentences that can be further divided into three types, which are: first, simple sentences; second, compound sentences; third, complex sentences. Now I am going to explain about simple sentence. A simple sentence is made up of one subject and one predicate. It contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. Let us see some examples. This bag is mine. The eagle soared in the air. Betty has boarded the train. It might rain today. Now I am going to explain about compound sentence. A compound sentence is made up of two or more simple sentences. They are joined by and, but, or, yet, so or for, which are known as conjunctions. Each simple sentence is independent and complete in itself. Let us see some examples. The sun rose. Simple sentence. Everything looked bright. Simple sentence. The sun rose and everything looked bright. Compound sentence. Now I am going to explain about complex sentence. A complex sentence is made up of one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses that are dependent on the main clause to make complete sense. Let us see some. Example. The flat had been emptied for many years before we bought it. Here the main clause, the flat had been emptied for many years, is a complete sentence in itself, but the dependent clause, before we bought it, does not make any sense on its own and is dependent on the main clause.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the bell button, like and share to get more interesting learning videos.